I've never done color. I wouldn't mind if there's a way maybe to enhance it.
Hi, Christopher.
Hi, how are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well, thank you. Thinking about maybe changing this up a bit.
Are you someone that likes to do your color all the time?
I've never done color.
It's really beautiful.
Well, thank you. I mean, I get a lot of compliments on it, and I wouldn't mind if there's a way maybe to enhance it. That would be great too.
Okay.
Keeping some of it.
Okay.
What do you see?
Well, we could deepen it up a little bit by using vibrance.
That'd be a great
And then
idea.
that way it's a blending of the gray, and we could leave out some of, you know, a little bit of your hairline, so you don't have a line of demarcation that you see.
Okay.
And I think that would be great.
So it's pretty much gonna like just deepen the gray.
Yeah.
That's a nice. I like that idea.
But keep some of it. I think
Right.
you should keep some of it.
All right.
Okay, so for Christopher, we're just gonna do some gray blending. So I'm gonna use Vibrance. I'm gonna use 5-1 and 6-1-2. And they're very ashy, and if you know, ash does not cover gray. So it's just gonna blend it away. We don't want it to cover. I don't want to make his hair solid, because I think that would be a nightmare for him. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use half 6 volume lotion and half 13 volume lotion. So I just used 20 cc's of 5-1, and now 20 cc's of 6-1-2, and I'm gonna do 20 cc's of 6 volume lotion, and then I'm gonna use 20 cc's of 13 volume lotion. I never get tired of watching the gel liquid color turn into a thick lotion. So nice. So nice, no dripping, it's perfect. I'm weaving it a little bit because I don't want him to wake up in the morning one day and have a sharp line around his face. So I'll go in and blend away the gray more, like this is gonna be my last foil. You have to determine how much gray somebody has. So if they're 30% gray, you'd have to add 30% neutral, and then you can add 70% ash.